Sir, can I get a face? Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, आज लिटरेचर पढ़ाएंगे.
Yes. English literature. Literature chapter 6, The Helpful Young Man. Okay. Children, hope you have read this story.
सर थोड़ा सा साइड कीजिए ना सर, मोबाइल सर ठीक से दिखाई नहीं दे रहा सर साइड का. सर साइड कीजिए सर, ये तो
हाँ, wait.
सर पूरा बोर्ड नहीं दिखा.
Wait, yes.
पूरा बोर्ड नहीं दिखा.
हाँ. Is it okay now?
Yes sir, yes sir. Yes sir, थोड़ा सा नीचे कीजिए ना. Yes sir, रहने दीजिए सर.
हाँ, yes. Open chapter 6, The Helpful Young Man.
This chapter is very easy.
Yeah, wait.
Page number है 29.
Yeah, The Helpful Young Man.
Chapter 6.
Chapter 6, The Helpful Young Man. Yes. Children.
सर हो सर निकाल लिए.
हाँ. Children. We are studying, we are discussing chapter 6 titled The Helpful Young Man. Children, okay, I am summarizing this story. Wait, give me 2 minutes, and in this 2 minutes time I am summarizing.
Morning sir.
Morning. I am summarizing this story, The Helpful Young Man. Okay. Chapter 6.
सर आपका वीडियो कर रहा है.
Actually,
सर आप कर रहे हैं.
this is the story of a family. The headman. Okay, the headman is a farmer, and this farmer had 7 sons. The farmer was healthy, normal, and happy with his family, including all the 7 sons. One day the farmer woke up to a very sad morning. He found that he had lost his eyesight. Okay, when he woke up in the morning, he found that he was not able to see. That is, he was blind. So his sons consulted many doctors, experts. They were called in.
सर आप कौन सा बुक का पढ़ा रहे हैं?
Literature chapter 6. Literature chapter 6, The Helpful Young Man. It is here.
Okay,
Summary I am summarizing this. You know, I am summarizing this story. So many doctors were called in, but the doctors could not cure him of his blindness, of his eyesight, because he had lost it. One day a fakir, children, a fakir means saint, a sage. A fakir visited his house and he advised, he suggested, no chatting, no chatting, keep mute, keep mute, no chatting, no chatting. Well, so he, the fakir suggested the family members, the sons, that uh,
26.
page number 6, chapter 6, that there was a special fish living in the remote sea,
क्यों नहीं पा रहा?
remote sea,
Join the class.
in the distant sea. So if the fish was brought and the eyes of the fish were burnt, and the ashes from them, the ashes were rubbed on the eyes, he could, the father could recover his eyesight. Only after rubbing the ashes of the eyes of that particular fish on his eyelids, he could restore his eyesight. But there were 7
morning,
sons. All the, nobody, no son was prepared to venture, and no son was ready to dare to travel to that distant sea and search for that fish. So the youngest son of the farmer, he was persuaded and he got ready. He was very bold, he was brave, and he was kind, very sensible. So he got ready to go to the remote sea to get or to fetch the fish and its eyes. Children, he went to the, he started his journey for the remote sea, distant sea, and he left for the sea. He crossed many forests, deserts, and very wild areas, very dangerous areas. They were very rugged areas. They were not plain, they were not safe. So ultimately,
Sir,
yes, yeah, what?
कौन सा बुक पढ़ा रहे सर?
अरे तुम, क्या नाम है तुम्हारा? तुम अभी
मैं ज्वाइन किया।
हाँ, तो क्यों अभी ज्वाइन किया? Why are you late? It is literature chapter 6. पढ़ा नहीं, देखा नहीं?
Yes sir,
Yeah,
शेड्यूल पे भी लिखा था।
Children, join interactive class as early as possible. Don't be late. Okay. So anyhow, yes, he was bold. The youngest son of the farmer was bold. He was brave. So he got to the spot. He reached the seashore, sea coast, ocean coast, and there he was able to catch the fish whose eyes he needed to cure his father's blindness. Yes, the fish was caught, the fish was trapped, but the fish requested the youngest son to free it, to grant it its freedom, not to kill it, and Instead, the fish asked the youngest son to spare its life, not to kill the fish, and she suggested that the fish would give him a bowl of sand, a magic sand, touched with its eyes. Okay, touching with its eyes, she was, ready to give a bowl
Sir,
of
what is
sand.
the meaning of assuringly?
Assuringly
Yes,
means
sir, what is?
एश्योरेंस के साथ, भरोसे के साथ, भरोसा करते हुए. ओके, सो शी गेव हिम a ball of sand, and the sand was to rub on the eyelid of his father, and that could work miracle, and it did, dear. He spared the life of the fish and took a bowl of sand from the fish and returned. Okay, everybody was waiting. All other, elder sons, elder brothers were waiting for his, arrival, returned, and he returned, and they were surprised. Oh, this sand was able to do miracle. So really, it was rubbed. The sand was rubbed. His eyes were touched with the sand, and it was magic. It was miracle. It was God's grace that the farmer restored his eyesight, and now he was able to see. Okay, all other brothers, the 6 brothers, they got jealous of the youngest son, because he became very dear and he became very popular with his father, very dear, dearer to him, and they feared that father would hand over the entire landed property and the entire property to the youngest son, uh, because um, you know, for his honesty, for his responsibility, for his bravery. So they played a trick on him. Okay, uh, actually, all the 6 brothers, they complained to the father that no, Papa, no, that was just a chance that you recovered your eyesight. That was the grace of the God, and this sand is not responsible in getting back your eyesight, in restoring your eyesight. So actually, hearing this thing from their brothers, the youngest son was very, ashamed. He was very, you can say, he was very anguished, and he was very angry. So he thought that yes, they were not, they were not loving him. They did not regard him. They were not respecting him. So he decided to leave his house, abandon his house. Okay, because he was anguished. He was angry to see that his other, elder brothers, they were jealous of him, and they were not ready to believe in him, his bravery. So he felt ashamed. He felt ashamed, and he felt sad also. He felt aggrieved. Okay, over their, misbehavior or misconduct. Okay, and he left uh, he left his house forever, and he was wandering and wandering and wandering. So while wandering, he came across a, buck. Buck means a male deer, and some hunters were chasing the buck. The buck requested the young
Then
man.
what is the meaning of wandering?
Wandering means walking here and there without any cause. Roaming here and there. So the buck requested him to save his life from the hunters, and he saved his life. He asked him to hide behind the bushes in a trench, and he covered him with dry leaves. He lied to the hunters that he had not seen any buck. moving ahead from that spot after saving the life of the buck, again he came across this time a jackal. Once again, some hunters were chasing the jackal to kill it. The jackal requested the young man to save his life. So just like the buck, the young man protected and saved his life. So both the animals, the all the three animals, the fish promised the young man to help him in his time of crisis or danger, and buck also promised him to save his life. The jackal also promised to save his life for his good deed, for his service. Okay, so moving ahead, actually he happened to be in a kingdom of a princess. Okay, it was the kingdom of a princess. So this way, after wandering for many days, he entered the area of a kingdom. The kingdom was actually, it was a princessdom, the city of a princess of that country. And the princess had a very strange, condition condition for her marriage condition for her marriage
अपना माइक म्यूट करो.
है म्यूट करो. क्या हो रहा है? Okay, the princess, her condition was, marriage condition was very strange, and it was
मैं आपको म्यूट करो ना.
very dangerous also. She had a magic mirror, and according to her marriage condition, she was to marry the man who could not be traced back or discovered in her magic mirror after hiding. So if she failed to discover the hidden person, she would marry her. So hearing about this strange marriage condition from the princess of that city, he reached the palace, and he was ready to accept the condition for for marriage with her, that challenge. And she went to the first fish, and he asked him to help him. So the fish carried him deep into the sea and hid there. But he was discovered with the magic mirror of the prince. So okay, so actually, if that person was discovered according to the marriage condition, she would behead him. गर्दन काट देगी, उसकी गर्दन काट देगी. So he failed to hide himself from her magic mirror. But the young man was very brave, so the princess gave him a chance. Okay, he went to the buck. So the buck also hid him. This time also he was not able to save himself from the magic mirror. So he was given another chance. So this time, third time, he went to whom? Which animal? Jackal. And yes, the young man related his problem to the jackal. Okay, told the jackal about his problem. So the jackal invited all other jackals of the forest, and it was decided that a tunnel would be dug by them. A tunnel, right from under the chamber bed of the princess, yeah, and to hide the young man. And the tunnel was to open up right, under the forest. So it was a tunnel, underground hole. So all the jackals came together and started digging a tunnel, and the tunnel was ultimately dug. The task was completed. It was accomplished, and he hid in that one right under the bed of the princess of her chamber. So he was safe there, and this time the princess failed to discover him. Okay, she tried and tried and tried, but she failed to discover the young man, and then she declared the young man to come out, and she accepted her defeat. She broke the magic mirror against the lamp post. It was broken into pieces, and she married. Ultimately, she married the young man. The young man married the princess, and he settled there, and he became the prince of that princess. So what a luck he had. Why, dear? Wasn't he brave? So if you are brave, your luck is going to favor you. If you are courageous, your luck is going to favor you. If you are kind, if you are honest, your luck is also smiling. Okay, it smiles at your face. So that's all. This is the story. Okay, now write word meaning now. Word meaning, write some word meaning and reading.
सर सर जो आप लिख रहे हैं ना वो सर दिखाई नहीं पड़ रहा.
अच्छा अच्छा, रुको रुको, just wait dear. What meaning?
सर बहुत लाइट
Write
light लिखा
word meaning children. Word meaning.
सर दिख नहीं रहा सर लिख रहा. What meaning? Sir, move the laptop near the blackboard. Yes, sir.